executive style apartment in a great location.
This is everything you've been looking for and more. Situated in the lovely Holroyd garden estate, this home unit offers 3 bedrooms of accommodation.
Positioned on the 3rd floor with a beautiful northern aspect within a security block.
Open space living and massive balconies, ideal for entertaining.
And in addition, you've got 2 bathrooms and a double lock-up garage.
Walking distance to Maryland's train station, parks, schools, and a short distance to Parramatta CBD.
My name's Daniel Starr.
I'm Milad Char.
And if you'd like to book an inspection and view this amazing apartment,
Please feel free to contact one of the team at Star Partners Maryland, Pemberway and Wentworthville. We'd love to chat.